Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will see how to change the language in Gemini on any Android smartphone. Now, to do that, just make sure that you have installed Gemini on your smartphone. Now from here, you can activate Gemini by tapping and holding on your home button, or you can install Gemini from the Play Store. Just go to the Play Store and search Gemini. Now, as you can see, I have already installed Gemini on my device. Once you install Gemini on your device, just tap on Open. Now, as you can see, this is the UI of Google Gemini. Now from here, tap on your account icon at the upper right corner of your display. Now from here, tap on Settings. Now from here, tap on Languages and tap on English. Now from here, to add a new language, just tap on Add a Language. Now from here, select the language you want. We will select this one. Now from here, go back. Now from here, tap on the microphone. أخبرني القليل عن سامسونج جالاكسي A25.
يعد هاتف سامسونج جالاكسي A25 خيارا رائعا للمستخدمين الذين يبحثون عن هاتف ذكي قوي بسعر معقول يتميز بشاشة كبيرة عالية الدقة.
Now, as you can see, this is how you can change the language on Gemini. Now, to delete the added language, just tap on the account icon. From here, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Languages. From here, tap on English. Now, tap on the language you want to delete and scroll up and tap on None. Now, as you can see, this is how you can change the language on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.